I'm with Quentin here. He's got his camera. So
hello.
Quentin, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna walk towards these alleys towards the temple, and we're just gonna see what we can see. But we got some pretty cool stuff. We got some nice ships. So maybe I'm gonna show you something real quick, Jason. I'm gonna zoom in, and then you can, like this camera here, you can get some nice frame shots. So I can kind of get stuff like that. And this one I can actually bring it in even more if I wanted to, so I can really frame something and catch like all kinds of stuff. Have you seen this, Quentin?
Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
He's got his camera, so
Hello.
I'm going to highlight, I'll put some links down below so you can see some of his photography, his social media contacts as well. But yeah, it's kind of cool because I can even catch stuff over on the other side.
Yeah, I'm about to, I think, change lens real quick.
Yeah, so we're going to be walking down some alleys, and again, right now we're kind of at the Macau Waterfront, so we're overlooking the China side. Zhuhai China's over there. So, and we got a cameraman right here, Jason. What do you want to say?
Hello. Please like and subscribe.
All right. And where are you from?
Philippines.
All right, Philippines. All right. I think Philippines. So we're gonna, actually, Quentin's kind of showing a little bit of where he did some film set right here. So
I recently just did a film called The Violin Case, which is hopefully will be released this year or next year. Maybe next year internationally. This year in Macau and hopefully Hong Kong. But this was a place, one of the locations that we filmed. We spent a whole night filming in this area.
You want to walk around the side?
Yeah, let's go. I think we might be further down.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Yeah, but it's similar. Yeah. Looks the same though. Well, they have. Yeah, I don't know.
We're gonna look for.
Yeah, it might be different.
There? If we can try. There's three of us together, they just don't really know why we're here, you know, so I just think they might not, they're probably just focused on their jobs and they don't know who has if you want to catch it right around. Yeah. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not.
Right.
So yeah, it's like worth it, man.
What is that? Sony or is it? No, Canon. Yeah, Canon. Yeah. Canon makes good stuff, man.
Yeah.
You know, both Canon and Nikon are both great platforms. Everybody has what they like.
think this right here, Jason, I think I'm gonna conclude the video on the spot.
Yeah.
So basically what we did is we just walked from down there, which is Pont 16, and we basically just came down this waterfront. So this will be one video that we're gonna do, and we're just gonna end it with conclusion. So we got a lot of kind of cool shots along this waterfront, and check out those ships in there too. All right. So we got Pont 16 down that way. This goes right up the coastline. We got some ships right in this space. We got Quentin who's doing some geography all along the way as well. And I guess I'm doing a little bit as well. And yeah, this is we're gonna do some more stuff in the alleys as well. So pretty cool day actually. Oh, catch this guy coming on the bike real quick.
Ah, I see it. Good job, man. No.
Love to have a space like that. You know, if I had an apartment, and just like I put a hammock up there. You know.
Oh, right, I know, right?
Check this spot right here where there's a kettle right there. I mean a pot.
Please go another. Please go another. Please go.
Yeah, I think when we come back, I want to get a wide angle on this thing.
I was just thinking that.
Yeah, this is going to be fun to edit.
It's so cool. It's like it goes right into the road.
I know, it's so cool, right?
It's kind of cool. So you see those, Jason? Yeah. It's kind of like cool that they're up there as well.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.